naninikip yung dibdib ko
Pero si
eh.
Miss Geraldine ay Ilocano din, di ba?
Yeah. Actually, she's more comfortable. Ilocano. Pero English talaga with all the slang and the twang, you know?
Yes.
Paano naman, di ba kagagaling nyo lang ng Isabela?
I know, oh yeah. So talagang Ilocano talaga doon.
Okay, ayan, we'll start with the Q&A na, of course. Ayan, simulan natin. Sir, introduce po natin ang pangalan ng ating pong news. Kung saan po tayo? Thank you.
First to Ma'am Rhea, Ma'am Joy Papia, editor of Central Zone Business Week. Ma'am, sa tagal na namin tinusundan following your products, most of your endorsers are artists. This time parang diverting na to content creator like Ma'am. Why, and what's the reason behind this?
Napansin ko po kasi sa kanya, nung last time talaga na pumunta siya dito, to be honest, I did not pay her anything. Natuwa lang talaga ako kasi addict din kaming dalawa sa bag. Parang ganon. So parang ganon nag-start lang. Kasi ako po yung type ng tao, napansin niyo, hindi talaga ako namimilit na gamitin niyo yung produkto ko. Kaya talagang bago muna nila i-endorse, gusto ko na gamitin mo kasi mas totoo eh. Mas makikita ng tao yung sincerity at totoong ginagamit mo siya. So ganon, parang getting to know lang. Kasi sabi ko, Ading, I'm a fan, na sobrang overwhelming kasi grabe yung schedule niya. Pumunta po siya dito sa Pampanga. Tapos natuwa kami eh. Tapos sabi ko, hindi naman madamot tong batang to. Nakailang ako pa yung nauumay. Tama na, nakakahiya. I'm a very private person. Wow, private. Diba sinasabi ko, hindi man, gawin mo to, ganyan-ganyan. Na hindi siya madamot, na super post siya about me na, parang ngayon lang ako literal na nakilala. I only had 200,000 followers on Facebook. Nadagdagan ako ng 15,000 agad. Yes, parang very effective siya na endorser for me talaga. At siya mismo nagsabi, Manang, even my cousins are using the zero, the June, gumaganon sila yung mga binigay mo mga sabon-sabon nga eh. Yan na lang yung gagamitin ko, sabi ko. Sige, when you get back. Ayan, tapos nagkatotoo na nga. Pero nauna talaga kaming naging friends online. Yun.
Follow up po kay Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am Geraldine, how come you are not just endorsing but using the products of Beauty Derm?
Because kasi noon, what do you call this one? I really had a very not a very nice skin, diba? Tapos so my cousins actually has started it. Like I didn't even know until one of my cousins because he's got a very bad acne and then he started using it, and so I said maybe I'm gonna try it out too because I really had a very dry skin and it's a combination of dry and oily skin. So I was like, maybe I'm gonna try it out. So I tried it out and then I didn't even know that it's Ate Rhea. So and then we came here on April and then she was like gusto niyang pumunta sa meet and greet, tapos sabi ko gano'n, hindi kita maaasikaso.
Yes! Sabi niya, sigurado ka man na maraming tao sa market. Hindi, may store naman ako doon. Hindi lang ako, bakit? Sabi niya, sa mga staff, sigurado ka, hindi ka naman nag-a-attend ng mga fan meet. Hindi nga, gusto kong makilala si Ading. Sabi niya, no, I'll go there. Promise? Ganon. Tapos pumunta siya, 8 a.m. Katutulog ko pa lang noon. Dumating siya talagang nakaganon yung mata ko. Para lang makilala siya. Pero dahil nag-enjoy kami, na late na siya sa next appointment niya, alauna na siya umalis. Diba? Ganon na agad yung bonding namin ni Ading ko. And then, sabi nga namin, dami nagko-comment sa skin niya. Mas maganda yung skin niya pag walang makeup. Sobrang dewy. Dahil nagko-comment na, uy, ang ganda. Di ba bare face siya pag nagpo-post siya, sabi natin, i-reveal natin soon kung bakit Korean ang skin mo. At ba't hindi ka nagme-makeup pag nagpo-post ka ng mga materials mo online.
Oh, yeah.
Maraming salamat, sir. Next question, dire-diretso tayo from Miss Rose Garcia.
Ayan, hello, Miss Geraldine. Yeah. How do you feel na, ayun nga, endorser ka na after nung first time niyo palang nakita ni Miss Ray, kumbaga, na-expect mo ba to, itong mga nangyayari ngayon? And follow up ko na rin, anong comment nila, Joss, your husband, dito sa mga magagandang opportunity na nangyayari sa inyo?
Like me personally, I'm very, very happy. And then actually Josh doesn't even know na pupunta kami dito. Sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-story ako kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, what are you doing photo shoots. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi ko, doing something. Sabi ko gano'n, just stay tuned. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, ayun guys, sabi niya, bakit wala kami? Like, well, I wanted to. Kasi gusto niyang mag-drive from Ifugao hanggang here. Tapos gusto niyang makita yung face daw niya sa NLEX. Sabi ko, Kaya pero he's very, very happy. Like, even Nemo, like I was telling Nemo about it, but he kind of like doesn't know what's going on, but he knows, like, he's got a, like, he's got a very little idea on what's going on.
And having your first billboard, how do you feel?
Uy, very excited kasi nga dream ko kayo nung bata ako, diba? Like, hindi ko naman alam na ganun pala yung feeling, no, na gano'n yung nangyayari. Talaga hindi ka makapaniwala. Yung nanay ko umiiyak eh. Like, kasi like super proud siya sa nangyayari sa akin. Like if my grandma was here, because it's my grandma who raised me up and my grandfather, like, she would have been happy. Like she would have, like, I remember when we started to go like viral online, we had our first TV interview, and then she was still alive. I was in Australia at that time, and then she was still here, right? So she was in front of the TV, like I had a video from my cousin, they sent it to me, and then she was like crying there kahit hindi niya naririnig kasi she was like, she was deaf, but then umiiyak siya. So ngayon, like I can see na na she would have been so happy, kaya anyway, I know. I'm trying. But anyway, I'm just very happy. I know like she's watching us from there anyway, so.
Okay, congrats. Siyempre kami, nagpo-follow talaga kami sa mga content nyo ever seen. So, doon sa mga hindi pa masyadong familiar, ano sa tingin mo yung naging secret ng The Blackman family na naging ganito kayo ka-successful as a content creator?
I think you just gotta be yourself. Like, wag kang maglagay ng content na, kasi for example, maglagay ka ng content na ganito, hindi relatable sa'yo, like, the next few days or next few weeks that you're gonna be making content, it's not consistent anymore. Like, you would be having different contents na ganito, ganyan. But then if you're consistent of what you do, like, I think people will start liking you. Like, we started with nothing anyway. Like, we didn't have any followers. Like, cause me, pinag-aralan, like, makikita mo naman yan, mapag-aaralan mo siya. For example, cause Josh and I started with like, you marrying a Filipina. Tapos, yung audience namin noon is like, mainly Philippines lang. Tapos, hindi na siya, yung ibang mga videos namin, hindi nagva-viral. Tapos, ngayon, kapag same yung contents na ginagawa mo, it's all about like family and then like about marriage. Then I think like kapag consistent yun, I think you're gonna grow because people would know. Like hindi ko alam na like I used to like not even like na sinasabi ko yung name ko sa sa social media, like it's just a wife, like what do you call this one, like dinidescribe ko lang yung sarili ko like I'm a wife and Josh is the husband. Pero minsan minsan sa mga videos, tinatawag akong Geraldine ni Josh, tinatawag ko din siya. Tapos makikita mapapansin ng mga tao talaga kapag they start to love you, talagang alam na nila yung every details, kaya nga yung nung nagpa-suspense effect kayo ng bakit curly yung hair, tapos ako agad-agad yung kaya, tapos marami rin nagtatanong kasi kapag lumalabas kami, like people would like what are you doing next? Ganito, ganyan, abangan.
Last na, syempre sa Australia ka naka-base. So as we all know, maraming mga products, skincare product, maraming mga talagang branded na mga skincare. So ano yung naging effect, ano yung naging difference sa'yo para ma-convince ka na itong serum ng Beauty Derm is one of the best? Or
I love. So I think people started noticing my skin after after maybe like few months ago nung naglalagay ako ng mga beauty products ganyan. Pero tapos marami ring nag-o-offer na ganyan. Nung nakita nila yung face ko, marami nang nag-o-offer. Actually before I talked to Ate Rhea, like a huge brand here in the Philippines offered me the same thing, and I was like kasi nga may pinagsamahan na kami na Ate Rhea, like I really like it because we're Ilocanos, and then we're like kind of like sobrang nagkulit kami. Kaya sabi ko, I'm gonna go with Ate Rhea, like she's so nice din kasi. Kaya but there have been a lot of like offers from Australia as well. It's not like Filipino brands like doing skincare, but I did because I wasn't ready at that time. Like I don't know what am I gonna do. I don't know what what am I gonna portray online. So that's why hindi pa ako nagsasay yes. Right, totoo yun.
Di ba, Bongga? Ang daming mga international offers, pero beauty derm ang talagang nasa puso ni Miss Geraldine. The Rose, maraming salamat. Susunod na magtatanong si Sir Glenn naman. Sir Glenn.
Thank you, Jai. And good afternoon. Congratulations, Miss Geraldine. Yes. My question is, what are the best things that you discovered about Ma'am Ray aside to sa mga sinabi mo na?
Like personally?
Yes.
I think it's the genuine friendship. It's like no plastic and
Pinagpapawisan ako dito.
Pinagpawisan si Darla!
Well, gano'n, ay na ako. Well, hindi yan. Diba?
Pero totoo yun. Like,
Oo.
nung una namin, sabi nga niya, never siyang nag-grill sa mga
Oo, kasi tinatanong din niya yung TikTok ko. Sabi ko, naku, hindi ako yun. Yung mga staff ko. Hindi ko alam mga password ng mga ko eh. Tapos pinag-acting niya ako. Diyos ko, gusto ko lang
nag-acting siya talaga
mag-collapse.
Tapos natasha ko doon, tapos hindi pa siya she has shown me the real friendship. Like, I've met a lot of people already, like, in this kind of, of what I do. I've met people, like, in Australia, and then we were going to, a few countries doing, some contents as well. Like, so I've met, few people, different people, different culture, different ugali, different tradition, and 1 hour pa, ay 15 minutes pa lang na friends na talaga. Tapos, she really kept in contact with me, me too, akala ko mag-jowa na kami kasi texted.
Oo, nagre-report siya.
Sabi niya, Bebe, anong ginagawa mo ngayon? Okay ka lang, tulog ka na ba?
Oo. Tapos biglang nagpa-uwi din sila. Manang, nandito na kami sa air. Manang, palipad na kami. Nag-update siya. Manang, nasa mahina yung wifi. Ay, mag-jowa. Tapos biglang, alam mo yung schedule niya. Dito na kami sa Iloilo. Pupunta na kami ng Isabela. So, may press ko na ko. Sabi niya, alam na alam eh. Ganun na kami ka-clingy sa isa't isa. Tapos pati mga personal na buhay namin, nagkikwentuhan na kami. Talagang nakahanap talaga ako ng adding ko sa kanya because my sister is 40 years old eh. So parang magkasunod lang kami ng adding ko. Eh siya talaga 30, parang anak-anakan ko na. Kaya yun, kaya nag-click kami lahat. Kaya nga kagabi, kung pwede lang, ayaw na namin mag-rest. Kasi talagang wala kaming pahinga. Kasi nga uuwi na naman siya, chika kami ng chika. Ang saya-saya lang namin. Hindi natapos yung pictorial niya sa kadaldalan ko.
Totoo yan.
So, kaya pinapaalis ako ni Namang Mai. Ayun. Wala lang.
Kaya yun, I think it's mainly it's the genuine friendship. Kaya yun ang number one.
And then we keep on sharing na parehas tayo yung love for our family. Laging sinasabi ng pagtulong, nag-uumpisa dapat sa pamilya mo, sa kumpanya mo, at kasama niya ang kanyang pinsan. Di ba, ang binibigyan niya ng trabaho ang kanyang mga pinsan, ang binibigyan niya ng pinag-i-stay sa magandang hotel, mga auntie niya. So nakikita ko yung
they've
pagmamahal.
never experienced it before. This is the only time that I've experienced this kind of life that I'm having right now. So because my mom was overseas working since I was 2 years old. It was my grandma and my grandfather and my aunties and my uncles who were the one who raised me. Now that I'm here, why will I not let them experience what I'm having right now? Kaya nung umuwi kami nung April, lahat talaga sila, lahat sa pictorial, mga photos, mga magazine, sama-sama sila lahat. 8 kami, baka mamaya 10 pa kami. Nung pumunta kami sa kanya, ang dami-dami namin. Tapos, ang daming nagtatanong na bakit sa mga kasi linalagay ko sa mga videos ba na nakasama ko sila, bakit ko sila laging kasama na ganito. Tapos sinasama ko din sila sa mga videos, pero ina-explain ko naman sa kanila na yung buhay ko before, I wouldn't be where I am today without them. They were the one who guided me in everything. If it wasn't because of their knowledge and noon, edi wala rin ako dito. Kahit nandun ako sa Australia, I'd still keep in contact with them. Kaya yun, they're like my second parents, lahat sila. 8 silang magkakapatid, kaya yun.
There's another question. Geraldine, how do you feel na parang nagiging ka-level mo na yung mga celebrity, mga sikat na celebrities na ambassador ng beauty derm?
Feeling ko hindi pa. Hindi ako gano'n. Parang feeling ko nga lang, alam mo yung feeling ko ngayon, parang, parang yung ginagawa ko pa sa Australia, like always na for example, yung like, what you call, like Target na brand, kapag gusto nila kaming kunin na nagagawa ng videos. Parang yun yung feeling ko, yung gagawa ko ng videos para kay Ate Rhea, tapos lang, may extra lang na na pa-billboard siya. Kaya, pero hindi, like, I can't even consider myself as a celebrity or like, like even an endorser because, like, I think it's just like,
Grabe po siya, even the A-list. Yung June, pagka-post pa lang ni Jet, grabe na yung orders, na sold out tayo. Tapos yung bags naman, usually isa-isa lang yung stock ko, na-stress tuloy ako. Kasi daming orders, same pa ng bag na suot niya. Kasi naging favorite mo, gano'n. Oo, naging favorite niya. Pati yung A-list, kasi usually Pinas, konting-konti lang abroad kaming clients. International ko talaga ang followers nga na nag-follow sa amin, na nag-i-inquire na. Kasi nalaman nila, ay, ang mura pala sa A-list Avenue because of Geraldine.
At mas sikat ka pa sa yung celebrities.
Hindi! Feeling mo hindi!
Sana pansin talaga, nagko-comment sa kanya, mga
Yung
celebrities din.
minsan yung mga artista nagko-comment, tapos kasi hindi ko sila pina-follow kaya hindi pumupunta, tapos biglang sabi, ang kapal-kapal ng mukha ko! Tapos nagme-message sila, tapos sabi ko, minsan nagsusorry na lang ako kasi kasi yung pinsan ko yung kasama ko sa social media, and then sinasabi na lang niya sa akin, nag-comment si ganito, sabi niya, tapos magsisend na ako ng message, sorry talaga, sabi ko gano'n, parang hindi ko kasi nakikita. Pero ngayon, kaya but I feel like hindi na, actually maraming ganito yung nangyayari sa yung mga marami ding bashers, like sinasabi na, kasi eto nangyari to 3 days ago na sa Isabela kami. Nag-disguise kaming dalawa ni Jet. So, kasi sobrang pagod na kami sa ang dami kasing ganap. Tapos nag-disguise kaming dalawa. Kasi so pumunta kami nag-grocery, tapos si Jet takip na takip yung mukha niya. And then me, I was wearing a hat and then sunglasses and then a mask. Pero kasi yung buhok kasi black, tas ang haba-haba. Tapos nakita si Jet, si Jet na yan, sabi nilang gano'n. And then my cousin was like, oh yes po. Tapos na-imbiyan na siya, na-imbiyan na yung girl. Sabi niya gano'n. So ako naman patago na ako, nagkagano'n na ako. Tapos pumunta siya, tapos tinitignan lang niya ako. Sabi niya, sila nga yan. Sabi niya gano'n. Ayaw pala nilang magpakilala. Bastos pala sila Sabi niya gano'n. So, tapos na-hurt ako kasi parang yun yung pinaka-first na narinig ko na Tapos, feeling ko baka sinasabi lang hindi naman siya celebrity. Bakit? Kasi gusto lang magpa-picture. Pero naman, like, if they asked me, I would have said yes. Like, I would always say yes. Pero, yun nga. Yung, hindi nila, pangalan, alam ko yung inisip nila, hindi naman celebrity si Geraldine Blackman, tsaka si Jet. Bakit ganun yung nila?
Gusto mo? Tataan natin.
Ganito tayo sa pamilyang to. Walang iwan na. Sabihan natin. Sabihan. Nagalit.
Kaya ganun, parang ganun yung, alam ko naman na hindi ako content creator ako, pero
Pero global force. Global force.
Sobra.
Ang daming Australian. Actually, I think my Instagram has like, Australian, more on Australians, Americans, and then UK. And then Facebook is more on Filipinos. And then TikTok is like 0.5% Filipinos, tapos USA. I think yun yung audience ko. So far.
My last question is, who among the Beauty Derm ambassadors would you like to collaborate with?
Darla?
Bag raid na ba ito? Mamaya.
Bag raid na ito mamaya.
Mag-iilis na sila mamaya.
Si Jelay?
May message si Jelay pala.
Si Rayber Cristana?
Parang magka-age nga sila.
Hi, Josh!
Showbiz crush ba ito?
Josh,
Wala daw si Josh.
Hindi naman niya naiintindihan yung sinasabi niya.
Bakit si Rayber daw?
Hindi naka-translate online yan.
May caption. Kasi mo importante yung mga subtitle.
Oo nga.
Laging may subtitles lahat ng pero hindi ko siya lalagyan ngayon.
Nagsabi na iyong pangalan.
Iba.
Pero River is one of the nicest talaga na tipo
Yes.
ba? Sobrang napakabait na bata.
At masipag mag-post.
Sobrang love din ng ating media family. Oo, kalalaki niyang talo, nagbi-video talaga eh. Di ba?
Pero lalaban si Miss Geraldine sa sayawan kay River.
Oh my God, I don't even... Hindi, wala ako.
Bakit si Raver?
Wala ako.
Iniiskan niya, sabi ko may darating ngayon na gwapo. Ang dami na niyang sinabing pangalan, parang napagod na siya. Sige naman, i-surprise niya.
Alam, nakita ko siya sa elevator kanina.
Hindi na
Binakabuking!
Ay, naku girls, wala kayong bonus mamaya ha.
Oh, may asawa.
Okay lang yun.
Nakita, nag-shake hands pa kami. Hi, I'm Geraldine.
Wanon. Pack up. Biglang pinak up. Yes?
Thank you very much.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Congratulations.
Nice,